Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On May 31st and June 1st, the Salesian House San Vicente Ferrer in Talcoy experienced a journey filled with magic and emotions as the Thessalon Theatre Group presented their annual musical. This unforgettable performance revisited the musicals that have shaped Thessalon's history, showcasing 14 musicals with over 200 young protagonists. From the bustling streets of London in Oliver Twist to the majestic African plains of The Lion King, the audience was filled with joy, soaring with Peter Pan and the wonders of Aladdin. On Sunday, June 9, the Don Bosco Parents and Teachers Association of Bangkok organized the 16th edition of the Don Bosco Mini Marathon, a charity race competing for the royal trophy of Her Royal Highness Princess Maha Chakri Sirintont at Suan Luang Rama, the 9th in Bangkok. The competition was divided into two categories, a 5-kilometer fun run and a 10.5-kilometer fun run. The primary goal of this event was to raise funds to support the orphans, the poor, disadvantaged and hearing impaired students of the Don Bosco Technological College in Bangkok. The opening ceremony was graced by the presence of Dr. Chatchat Sitapund, the current governor of Bangkok. At the end of the event, Father Ponchit Fulvitha Yakits, rector of the Don Bosco Technological College in Bangkok, awarded prizes to the winners of the various events. From June 10 to 13, the Salesians of the province of Argentina South ARS celebrated their 5th provincial chapter at the La Montonera Retreat House in Pilar, Buenos Aires. Convened by ARS Provincial Father Dario Pereira SDP, these were days of work and reflection on the theme of GC29 and its three core themes. In the event moderated by the Vice Provincial Father Osvaldo Bracia SDP, both Salesians and laity participated with great enthusiasm. On this occasion, the preparatory committee had chosen the method of spiritual dialogue, a methodology currently used by the Church in this time of synodality. The moderator presented the regulations and methodology to the participants, after which the first of the 3-day session began. On the final day, Father Jose Garcia Arias, SDP, was elected as the provincial delegate to GC29 to accompany Father Pereira, and Father George Ledesma was elected as his substitute. The varied and multifaceted Salesian presence in the St. Charles Luanga Vice Province of Africa Great Lakes AGL locates social action in favor of young people in Rwanda. The Salesians in this country carry out various works and activities, and in one of the centers, Muhazi, they decided to follow the famous saying of Don Bosco: "An oratory without music is like a body without a soul," by relaunching the musical training of their students. Today's Rwanda is a nation reborn after the 1994 Tutsi genocide. And to avoid repetition of similar tragedies, the authorities have been committed for years to building a country with a strong national spirit and economically prosperous, so as to overcome ethnic tensions and generate widespread well-being. The accompanying When Trauma Hits project continues, a formation course for educators engaged in situations affected by the armed conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East. After the 2 residential weeks held from 3rd to 17 April in Rome at the Pontifical Salesian University, the project continues with the follow-up phase of the projects that the participants have activated in their own situation, putting into practice the tools acquired during the training. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.